Alright, here we are doing a re-inspection of a sewer I cleaned. You can see it's 6-inch clay here. That footage there at the bottom is from the stack cleanout towards the middle of the house. And we'll just show you kind of what's going on. There's a little bit of roots in there. Not terrible. Isn't that much, there isn't any damage really through this stretch of the pipe. The only real damage I see is one section where it goes low, and there's a couple offsets in the pipe. So you can see this is all pretty straight and narrow. Looks good. There's a little bit of roots in there. Terrible. And so we'll be getting into this area. See, the pipe has settled at some point in time. It's about a 6-foot section. So from 34 feet backwards through here to 28 feet. And you can see there at the top of the pipe there is some cracking in that, through that section. That was revealed from cleaning it. So the pipe is compromised there. It should be repaired. There's some roots there at the bottom of the pipe. But yeah, so that section does have a little damage from it being low for so long, and the pipe has separated there at the beginning of it. So in total, it's probably from the start of the damage to the end of it, it's about 8 feet from here to the last joint where it's damaged. Yep. 34 feet would be 8 feet there. So there is an 8-foot section that is damaged. The way that we're doing things now, we would feel fairly confident in installing a liner through there. Well, we would feel really confident in installing it, but the question is whether it's a good idea or not, and that's up to the homeowner's discretion usually. But it would reinforce that whole entire area, cover all the cracking, stop the pipe from moving it anymore, and there'd still be a low spot, but at least it'd be reinforced and wouldn't change anymore from that point on. It won't sink anymore. It's kind of a debate we've been having in the sewer lining community for a while. There's the front cleanout that we would access to install the liner. It's the front of the house under some concrete. So we would expose that, shoot the liner in through there, and that's all we would need. So here's the rest of the pipe through the inner main, back to the stack. It's cast iron, it's 4-inch. And that all looks pretty straight and narrow. So there's the stack.